What is that little sound outside my window? I think I heard it again. Maybe a bird is outside. Oh, there is a little bird down there. The bird does not look okay. I think its wing is hurt. Mom can help me. I need to tell Mom right now. I hope the bird will be okay. Mom, there is a bird outside.
A bird? Tell me what happened, sweetheart.
The bird is near the bush, and one wing looks hurt.
Then we should go check on the bird.
Thank you, Mom. I hope we can help the little bird. The bird is still there, Mom.
Yes, sweetheart. It looks weak and frightened.
The poor bird looks so lonely.
Let's move slowly so we do not scare it.
Okay, very slowly. We are coming to help you. It cannot fly away.
I think its wing may be injured.
Can we save it?
We can try our best to help it.
Sunny is here too.
Sunny, please be gentle.
Good job, Sunny.
We need a safe box and a soft towel.
I will help the bird, Mom. I will get the things we need. The bird needs help right away. I want to help carefully. Maybe there is a box here. I found one! I still need a soft towel. The bird will need something soft. This will be perfect. I hope the bird feels safe. I brought the box and towel.
You did a wonderful job, sweetheart.
I want the bird to feel comfortable.
We are your friends. We must move very gently. You will be safe soon, little bird. You are doing great, little bird.
Now you can rest.
You look a little calmer now. I think we should call a wildlife rescue center.
Can they help the bird get better?
They know how to care for injured wild animals.
That makes me feel better. We will keep you safe.
It is warmer inside.
You can rest here for now.
I am going to call for help.
You are not alone anymore. Sunny is being very kind today.
Someone from the rescue center is coming.
The little bird has a chance now. I hope help comes soon. Hello again, little friend. You look a little stronger. Maybe they are here.
The rescue specialist has arrived.
That is wonderful news!
I will let her in. Hello. I am here to help the bird. Let me see our little patient. You have been taking very good care of it.
I just wanted to help.
Let me check its wing very carefully.
I hope it is okay.
The injury looks treatable.
That makes me so happy.
The bird will need time, rest, and special care.
I hope it can fly again someday.
I believe it has a very good chance.
I am glad I looked outside.
Your kindness helped save this bird.
Thank you.
This carrier will keep the bird safe. Everything is going very well.
You look comfortable now. How is our little bird doing?
I expect a good recovery.
That is the best news today. I will miss you. Be strong and get better soon, little friend.
We will take very good care of your little friend.
I know the bird is in good hands.
Never stop showing kindness to animals and people.
One small act of kindness can make a big difference. I hope you fly high again someday. Today taught me that kindness can help someone heal. Thank you for watching Elara Daily English. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you again soon!